연구를 추진하는 것은 과학이지만 과학을 개척하는 것은 사람이라고 하시며 우리 과학자들을 금방석에 앉혀주시려 천만 로고를 바쳐가시는 경의하는 총비서 동지의 과학 증시, 인재 중시의 일당을 깊이 새겨주고 있습니다.
지금 많은 나라들과
친애하는 조선인민공화국 국민 여러분, 우리 인민무력부는 우리 적의 불확실한 핵로켓을 목격했습니다. 즉시 대피소를 찾아 영광스러운 지도자 김정은으로부터 사진을 보호하십시오. 아시다시피 우리는 엘리에 함께 전쟁에서 승리할 것입니다. 우리의 영예로운 수령 김정은 덕분에 우리는 전쟁을 준비했고 이미 적을 향해 핵로켓을 발사했습니다. 자세한 정보가 나올 때까지 기다리세요.
Dear citizens of the People's Republic of Korea, our Ministry of People Armed Forces saw undefined nuclear rockets from our enemy. Seek immediately a shelter and protect the pictures from the glorious leader Kim Jong-un. As you know, we will win this war with our allies. Thanks to our glorious leader Kim Jong-un, we prepared for the war. We already launched nuclear rockets towards to the enemy, the enemy, the enemy, the enemy.
There's someone special I want to look good for. Me.
It's my turn to see what I can see. I hope you'll understand. This time's just for me.
Looking good makes me feel good, so I use oil of Olay. It's so sheer and greaseless, it sinks right in for a softer, younger look.
Oil of Olay, beauty fluid or luxurious cream to help keep you looking younger too.
Yes.
I love the rich, whole wheat goodness of Kellogg's Mini Wheats. But the delicious frosted side makes the rich kid in me open wide.
The nutritious shredded wheat helps keep me on my toes. But the little ballerina in me thinks the taste.
This message is transmitted at the request of the North American Aerospace Defense Command. At 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, approximately 35 missiles loaded with nuclear warheads have been spotted approaching the North American continent. The missiles originate from the Democratic People's Republic of Korea and are expected to hit the following cities: Washington, D.C., New York, San Francisco, San Diego, San Jose and Los Angeles. If you are within 100 miles of these cities, immediately relocate to the lowest point of your building like a basement. If you don't have a basement, stay inside a room without any windows. Bring with you to the shelter 14 days worth of non-perishable food, clean water, clothing and a battery-powered radio. You will also need protection against fallout after the blast. Fallout is a radioactive rain consisting of highly toxic dust. To protect yourself, wear a mask with a filter or a wet cloth covering the nose and mouth. Do not leave the shelter before 2 weeks have passed. If you have to anyways, cover your whole body in thick clothes or plastic bags, which you should immediately throw away after using them outside. Good luck.
August 1945, 2 nuclear bombs were dropped on Japan by American planes. Over 100,000 people died. How real is the threat of nuclear war today?
We'll be checking out a government pamphlet which gives instructions on how to protect yourself if a nuclear attack were to happen, and some handy hints on how to turn your home into a nuclear fallout shelter.
And what if Teesside was the target for a nuclear bomb, or Sunderland or Tyneside? We visit Durham Control of the Royal Observer Corps, who are preparing for the worst. Again. Terrible pictures there of the only time that nuclear weapons have been used for real against ordinary people, against the Japanese.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the North American Aerospace Defense Command and the civil authorities. This is an update about the current war situation that started today at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All the cities mentioned before, Washington, D.C., New York, San Francisco, San Diego, San Jose and Los Angeles have been devastated by the attacks. The fallout and the expanse of the radiation is currently being shown on the map. If you are located in the red zone, you are as good as dead when you go outside. Therefore evacuations will be impossible and it is advised to stay indoors or at best underground to survive. If you are located in the orange zone, evacuations are still possible, but you shouldn't go outside of your shelter without protection, as that will surely lead to a slow and brutal death in the near future. If you are located in the yellow zones, you should prepare for the incoming radiation from the red and orange zones. It is safe to go outside but recommended to still wear protection such as a mask. If you are located in the green zone, you are safe for now. It's recommended that you prepare for the incoming radiation that will affect you soon as well. This is also the zone where the refugees from the orange area arrive. Hospitals are therefore preparing to take in more patients. Bunkers and emergency shelters are being constructed here and should soon be ready. Remember that these shelters only take in as many people as possible and will turn you away if they have reached their capacity. Gas masks and supplies are being handed out by the National Guard and your local authorities if you are in the yellow or green area. A retaliatory strike at the DPRK has been delivered at the start of the conflict, but we are still at war. More strikes could be incoming. Do not panic, as it will worsen the situation. Looting and stealing are still crimes. To protect the population, martial law is now in effect. This will be all the information at the moment.
Against ordinary people, against the Japanese of Hiroshima and Nagasaki 35 years ago. But those images aren't just history. It's possible that they could be part of our future.
America, Russia, China, the giant powers, and a worrying number of smaller powers are busy getting together bigger, better and more devastating
Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for part 2. I got help from a friend. I will give credits in the video description, so make sure to subscribe him as well. More information follows in the next minutes.